Hi, welcome to the Fotobug YouTube channel.
Okay, Jim, answer me this. Why are we trying to get people to watch our YouTube channel?
Well, Fred, if you're into photography, this is the place you want to be. You want to subscribe to this channel.
So the how-tos.
Oh, yeah, and the interviews with photographers that are well-known and maybe not so well-known, such as these folks here.
Whoa, that's a lot of names. I didn't know we interviewed that many people.
Yeah, we've got 8, almost 9 years of our podcast that we can go back to our vault and pull out.
Well, how about we show everybody what we're talking about?
Yeah. Well, here's an example. Wildlife photography.
Macro photography.
Travel photography.
HDR.
Drone photography. Yeah. Light painting. And portrait photography.
So, you see what we're talking about?
Yeah, so we got great plans for the future, too. We're going to put together a complete photography course from beginner to advanced.
But you have to subscribe.
Yeah, and it's free.
It's free?
It's free.
I'm going to go subscribe now, heck.